In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that your OBS is lagging or had a bad ping or bad internet connection. So what we can do for this is we can go here into the search bar. In the search bar, we look for the control panel. So click on this, and after that, go on View Network Status and Task, and here on Change Adapter Settings. So, and now we select our connection here. If you are connected with Ethernet, you do this with Ethernet. If you are connected with Wi-Fi, you do this with Wi-Fi. So right click on your connection and then disable it. Wait like 2 minutes, and after that you can enable it again. This is to restart your Wi-Fi from your PC, and you also can do this with your Wi-Fi router to restart your whole Wi-Fi. So after that, go on Properties, and then here we have our network adapter. What we can do is we can copy this, go on the internet, and then you can look for the best driver. So copy this, type in driver download after that, and then you will find the best driver software for your network adapter, which is really important. What we also can do is click on configure here, then on driver, and then on update driver. And here we can search automatically for drivers, or what we also can do is we can browse the computer for drivers. So yeah, click on browse here, and then we can select the local disk, or we can pick from a list available drivers on the computer. So this is also an option. So then go back here, right click on it, and then go on Properties again. And now we click on Internet Protocol version 4 Properties again, and then we click down here on Use the following DNS server addresses, and we have the preferred DNS server, and here you can try 1111 or 8888. And what you also can try, the alternative server is 1001 or 8844. So this is what you can try here. Then click on OK, close this, and after that you have to restart your PC. Data settings will be saved, and then your internet problems in OBS Studio should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.